French audio company Devialet has been very consistent over the years in terms of the way they make products. They've been very unique in the way they produce any audio products. They make luxury high-end products and they look quite beautiful. They are out with another new wireless speaker. This one is called the Devialet Mania. It is very much a new design, very different from what they used to make. It has a spherical orb-like design is really cool. I think a lot of people would maybe like what they're seeing. They might care so much to even buy just to see how it performs. You'll get it in 3 different colors. You have the black, you have the gray. The black and the gray will be priced at $790. Then if you want a special edition, there is the Paris Opéra special edition, which is going to be priced at $990. The main difference, first of all, is the build. The $990 Paris edition comes with a 25-karat moongold embellishment, and all 3 will be available on devialet.com if you want to purchase them. Basically, it depends on what you want. In terms of size, it isn't so large. It has a 6.7-inch height in terms of how high it is. So 6.7, it's not that high. It is quite portable. It weighs around 2.3 kg. It doesn't really weigh much, so it's easy to move around. And it comes with four full range drivers that is going to deliver high impact sound that should be much more accessible to a lot of audiophiles, so they will like that kind of impact. And then it comes with 2 subwoofers inside as well. If you like good bass, it will come with 2 subwoofers inside. Now it will just be great because you know the company, they take high-end audio seriously, because that's what they do. Even though they make fancy products, they are very meticulous. They still want to give you something that can be appealing in terms of sound. And that's what they have been working on with this product as well. And it comes with a rechargeable battery. The company claims will be able to power the Mania for 10 hours on a single charge. It comes with USB-C, so you can also use your wireless charging base, your wireless charging adapter base, so to charge it if you want to do so. You could buy a charger, an $80 wireless charger, if you want to charge it wirelessly. So you have options. Really, I like this speaker. It really looks good. It has every feature that I think anyone would be interested in, more so than any of the other products that are out there from other brands and their other establishment. I think it's a product that should be interesting. Should be interesting for people to check out. Overall, the company is saying that the subwoofers that it's having inside would be more than enough for most people. That it is definitely powerful enough to appeal to a lot of people in general. Another thing is the IP rating. It has an IPX4 water resistance rating, so you could still use it outdoors if you want to. I don't know whether people would be into that, but they give you that option. So you can have all available means to use it. Whether you want to use it indoors, you want to use it outdoors, you have that option. Now, beyond this high fashion, the Mania is also equipped with some decent smart features. It has Amazon Alexa. You can also connect to it with Bluetooth 5.0. It supports Apple AirPlay. You have Spotify Connect support, and even even Alexa's multi-room audio features will receive an update in 2023. It depends. It depends for that if you want to wait. But I think this product is going to be massive. I think it's a product that would I think it's a product that will sell really well, obviously because of the company behind it, because they have been successful. They've had many people that like their products, and I do feel that this would be a successful release for the company going forward. So it depends on what you're looking for. It even has more features that Devialet has this active stereo calibration that it's coming with. You know, it can help automatically adjust and tune the speaker to your room. So it's really nice. Obviously, honestly, I think this is a nice new product. I don't have any issues with anything that they have put out for it. The specs is fantastic. It has enough bass to please people. I think people would like what they're seeing, and they will even consider checking it out if it's a product that they might end up looking to get their hands on. So I'm gonna drop all the details for the brand new Devialet Mania down in the description if you want to have a look and see if it's a product that would interest you to check out. So that's it. Do check it out. Subscribe to the channel, like our content, follow us here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.